Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is Lenovo tablet M8 model. The screen already cracked, so we need to replace it. So I got the replacement from eBay. It cost me about £32. Also, I do have some basic tools to perform this replacement. As you can see, the plastic flat opening tool, metal flat opening tool, spudger, Phillips screwdriver, the brush, liquid adhesive, and double-sided tape. Also, I do have the ordinary hair dryer to blow the hot air to melt in the adhesive underneath the LCD. I do have this LCD separator. This is a kind of hot plate, so I set up the temperature around 111 degrees Celsius, and before I put this on, I switched off the tablet. If possible, try to turn it off completely, and then I'm gonna leave it there for 5 to 7 minutes to melt in the adhesive, and it's going to be much more easier to remove this broken LCD because the actual panel is so strong. It's very difficult to pull this out if you don't apply the hot air. Now carefully, I'm going to use the flat opening tool, especially the metal one, because the screen is cracked anyway and I have no plan to save it. But the plastic is always better. I would suggest you to have safety goggles and gloves. As you can see, the cracked screen is really sharp, sometimes sharper than the razor, so be careful when you perform this repair or replacement. Alright, so at this point, carefully we're going to disconnect the battery flex connector first and then the LCD connector. So first remove that screw and take out this actual bracket which will secure the LCD and battery connector. You can use the tweezer or you can use your fingertip. Now disconnect it, both of them, because we need the LCD flex anyway. So now we're going to remove this flex and keep it to use it with the new replacement. Now let's clean up the actual frame, because if any leftover glass or anything stays there, it's gonna damage the new screen panel. So be careful. If you feel it's very difficult to pull out the adhesive and the broken piece of glass, what you should do, apply some more heat so that the actual adhesive would be much more softer and easily you can pull this out like that. Remember, if you clean it better, the outcome would be better. It depends on that. So I'm going to give it a clean. I'm going to use some sort of rubbing alcohol, which is 99.99%, and that would also help us to clean it properly.